What's up, y'all? On What's Up Academy today, I'm going to be teaching you how to create a virtual Twilight photo using Higgsfield AI. This is a software we use for doing AI Twilight photos. Usually in our packages, they receive 1 to 3, depending on the package, or if they book more. So what I'm going to do is just show you a few different cases to create these. So what I do first is I kind of go through the folder of the photos from that project that's needing it. Try to find like the best 1 to 3 photos to create a virtual Twilight of. Usually it's like the front of the home, so I'll pick like the best photo of the front of the home. I would say this is probably one of the best photos we took using the drone. So I'm going to download that one. And I'm going to look for like a good sunset shot we could do. So like maybe, let me look. So I know for sure like the sun does set over there, something like that. So I'm going to download that one because that's a good like sunset view we could do. So instead of like twilight, it could be like sunset since this is waterfront. So I'm going to take these 2 photos and drop them into Higgsfield AI. I just make sure I'm on image here. It'll go to this page. Don't worry about all this. This is all of our projects Ahmed, our video editing team, and our team has been working on. So all you want to do is take one of those photos. You'll have to do them separately. So it went to downloads. I'm going to just pull up this first photo here. I'm going to drop it straight in. You want to make sure it's like dropped on this little plus icon. And then all I do is I just type in what I want it to create. So I'm going to go create sunset photo with lights in the windows. I usually say lights in the windows because sometimes it doesn't add it, just so it has that like twilight dark look. And I do sunset just because for some reason that looks a lot better. If you do twilight, it'll be like too dark. So you can make sure you're on Nano, Banana Pro, whatever it's called. And then you don't check unlimited and just make sure we're on 16:9 here so it'll be the correct ratio. You can do 4K just so it's full quality. And then just hit generate. We should have enough credits on our account here. I'll let you guys know the login as well. You should have that beforehand. It's Ahmed's login, so it'll be like per pixel something or whatever. But create sunset photo with lights in the windows. Now, we'll do it for the next one. So you go ahead and hit generate. Then it'll start doing this cute thing, generating. So while we're creating this one, I'm gonna go ahead and X out of this one and drop in our second photo. So I know this is the pool one. So what you can do is go to the prompt here, create sunset photos. You can remove the lights in the windows because in this view here, there's no lights. I mean, there's no lights in the windows that we really want. Like we don't really care about that house or that house. So you don't have to tell it that. But create sunset photo with lights in the pool and sun setting over the water. So you kind of tell it specifically how you kind of want it. You don't have to get too detailed normally, just what I've found. So I'm going to do sunset over the water, lights in the pool, create sunset photo with lights in pool, setting over the water. Perfect. All right, I'm going to hit generate. Cool. And then literally you just have to wait. Sometimes it's, I don't know, 5 minutes, sometimes it's 10, just depends on the site. I don't know, sometimes fast, sometimes it's slow. I don't really know what we're paying for. Oh, that was pretty quick. Okay, so this one's already done. So perfect. So literally added lights in the window, added sunset look. That is literally perfect. So all you'll do is hit this little download button right here and it'll download it, easy peasy. Now we're gonna wait on the second one, see how it looks. And if anything, we can always redo it if for some reason it isn't perfect or how we want it. So we'll just go create sunset photo, lights in the pool, sun setting over the water, and then just type in if there's something specific we want it to do, like if the photo's too dark or whatever it is. But for the most part, it does it like perfectly first time. Like, holy crap, that looks super good. We didn't even shoot at sunset. So let's just wait on the second one real quick. I'm gonna just, actually, and it's done. Holy cow, that's insane. That's literally what I asked it to do. That's crazy. I actually haven't done this photo, so I might add it to the order because that's insane. Cool. So all you'll hit is download. preparing download, do the next photo, download. I haven't downloaded this one, I've done that one. So then you'll just take this, drop it straight into our order in the basic listing photography or Airbnb, whatever it was. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Pretty simple, either the front or the back. I usually pick like the view or the front of the house is kind of what we do, but most of these jobs are getting 1 to 2 photos.